A payment of $950 is due in 9 months. You want to replace it with an equivalent payment made in 2 months. What amount would be equivalent if the interest rate is 5.5% per annum simple interest? Okay, so for perspective, I'm going to put today on my diagram because that allows me to put in 2 months and 9 months. Now, this payment of $950 is due in 9 months. And I need to bring it back here to 2 months to find the equivalent amount. The time here going from 9 months to 2 months is a total of 7 months. So 7/12 of a year. So notice because I'm only moving from 9 back to 2, it's going to be a 7-month movement. The rate that we're using here is 5.5%, so 0.055. And we're looking for a principal, which is our future value, over 1 plus RT. So 950 divided by 1 plus 0.055 times 7/12. So this gives us a total principal amount of $920.47. That's the equivalent amount in terms of dollars 2 months from now.